live. I just welcoming the NDC Aspirants Dinner.
You can do better than that as they take their seats. NDC!
At the event center, right about.
Announcing also the arrival of distinguished Senator Tony Moye.
We have just arrived at the class event center where NDC is hosting its aspirants
Media after taking your pictures. You can please take your leave for now.
Now the people voice right here, from Abuja to Lagos, from Kano down to Port Harcourt. Politics no they sleep, yeah. Politics today, everybody they talk. Power changing, yes, make you know dollar. Breaking every story, we they bring them fast, oh. Now yeah, they matter, they no carry last, oh. Politics today, we they live on air. Every headline note, everywhere they fear. From the north to south, everybody stare. If you happen for the country, you go see I'm here. Campaign posters full for city, whoa. Big men they promise, say they go change it, oh. People for the roadside still they watch. Who go lead tomorrow, time they tick like clock. Senators they argue for the TV screen. Governors they gather for the big raging. Party people shouting, convoy passing by. Social media fire everywhere online. No sleeping, no hiding. The people them deciding. Every word, every voice. Now democracy choice. Politics today, everybody they talk. Oh. Power changing and taking no dollar. Breaking every story, we they bring them fast, oh. I hear the matter they no carry last, oh. Politics today, we they live on it. Every headline hot, everywhere they fear. From the north to south, everybody stare. If it happen for the country, you go see I'm here. From primary election to presidential race, every candidate won't occupy the place. Meetings in Abuja, rallies to the ground, everywhere for Niger. Politics they loud, analysts talking, headlines dropping, news alerts buzzing, channels non-stop. We know they fear to tell the people truth. We they give the updates, live inside the booth. Who they lead, we go know. Who they win, time go show. Raise your voice, make it loud. Now the people make it proud. Politics today, this not history. Every single headline tell a mystery. Voices of the nation, loud and free. This not the real political TV. Politics.
We have a conflict. This country was war. People can no longer take us for granted. In South Africa, we have over 40,000 square, over 40,000 acres of electricity. And yet people are complaining they have no power. When we have 4,000, and we are not complaining. And they just 60-something million, and we are 200-something million with 4,000 megawatts, and we are not complaining. If you don't want to complain, this is time for us to come out and complain. If you cannot serve, please leave. We don't want to elect people again to give us a speech or remind us what they saw when they got in there. No. What I'm seeing, I can change. And that is what I want the office. I'm not looking for it to give excuses. We don't want to hire people who will give us excuse again. The time of excuse has passed. If you cannot walk around, go home. It's a reward for people who have the competence, the capacity, the compassion, commitment, and character to lead. If you don't have it, go home. Go home! That's what where we are. Yes, sir. But tonight is today different.